So we're going to try to add up a new wallet on Luno. So bear with me so that I can actually show you how to do that. And please welcome to our channel, and please like and subscribe onto our channel so that you can see more videos like this. Alright, so we're going to go straight onto Luno.com. So we can see this Luno.com. Alright, so we're going to log in and right. So that's how easy it is, man, to get onto this. But I'm going to get on to login, and then I will see you when I am inside. Okay guys, so we're inside on Luno.com right now. So we just signed in, and then what we're going to do now, we're going to try and to open up a new wallet, which I'm going to show you right now. So we're going to go inside in right now so that we can do that as quick as possible, because I don't want this one to be as long as I don't want it to be long, right? Okay, so here we are. The price of Bitcoin as of today is on 881,355. It's up and down, guys. So if you are trading, day trading, holding your Bitcoin, I'm sure you're making some hella of a good good profits there. So let's go and check in on the daily. See, here's a little bit of a dip right there, then go straight up into here. It was about 892 here, 885, 881 now. Okay, what we want to, I want to open up this wallet. I have Bitcoin, I have Ethereum, I have Ripple, I have Litecoin. I don't have Bitcoin Cash and USD coin. So I want to open up this new wallet. Onto wallet right here. Okay, we're on to wallet. So we're going to add a new wallet. Okay, so I with the Ethereum wallet, USDC saving wallet. So you can add up this new USD wallet, and then you can get to save up on then you'll earn about 7.6 interest, and then a BTC saving wallet, you'll earn up 4% interest on it. That's passive income for you. So once you just put in your Bitcoin there, you're going to earn up some money. So we're going to open up this new wallet. So I'm going to, there's Bitcoin Cash wallet and the USD coin wallet. So I'm going to add up this one. So it's just telling me what is USD coin wallet. You see, owning a USD coin gives you an exposure to US dollars without the fees and fuss of a foreign account. For each USDC you buy, you actually using dollars held in the reserve, right? It's a digital dollar, so each USD can always be redeemed for $1. Please use plus sorry about that. Plus you can move it across the globe quickly and easy, right? How do stablecoin work, right? USD is a type of crypto called a stablecoin. Stablecoins are tied in value to other assets. This could be local currencies, other currencies, or commodities like gold. The value of the most cryptocurrencies like BTC is based solely on supplies and demand. USDC gets its value from US market conditions, right? So we are going to create this wallet so that we can put some money onto it a bit later today, once my deposit goes in. So I'll probably have to show you guys how I'm going to buy some USD coins, right? So you will need this wallet to store your USDC. So let's create this cool wallet. Okay, here's my wallet. Here it's open and it's done. So it has some 0 USDC. It's in ZAR right there underneath, and it's done. It's open, so I can just buy some USDC coin, and then just like that we're done. Okay guys, so thanks for watching, and then that's it for this video. Please subscribe guys, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you. Ciao ciao.